This car is a Proton Saga 2022 model VVT engine. The problem with this car is that the check engine light comes on when the car engine is started. After the check engine light comes on, the fuel consumption is a little more than before. It makes it a little difficult to start the engine. How to solve this problem? So please watch the full video. On behalf of this YouTube channel, I extend my sincere greetings and congratulations to you. Now I will get inside the car to start the engine. Sometimes you have to click on it twice to start it. See, after starting the car engine, the dashboard meter check engine light has turned on. Why or what is the reason for the check engine light turning on? So to know what the problem is, you must check with the second computer and determine the exact problem. I will check with the scanner computer. Click on the Proton car logo. Click on the name of the Proton Saga car. Click on engine to check engine code. Click read fault code to view the fault code. Engine code is P0443 evaporative emission system purge control valve circuit. This code means the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a problem with the electrical circuit that controls the purge valve in the evap system. I will check the canister purge valve wiring connection. I turned off the ignition key of the car. I will go outside from inside the car and check the connection of the canister purge valve wire. The canister purge valve in a Proton car is located behind the intake main fluid. Look, this is the canister purge valve. Now I will remove the canister purge valve wire socket. The canister purge valve is damaged inside the wiring near the socket. If you press the wire with any fingertip, it feels firm, then the wire is fine inside, and if it feels soft, then the wire is damaged or cut inside. I checked the pink color wire and there is no problem inside. Now I am checking the inside of the green colored wire. You can also check it this way. The green wire is damaged inside near the socket. When I held the wire with my hand and pressed it, the wire near the socket broke into two pieces. Because the inside of the wire was damaged, the wire broke in the middle. Now I will replace the wiring old socket and install a new socket. I connected the new cable socket. I will put heat shrink tubing on the cable connection area carefully so that the cable connection does not short circuit. I will connect the wire socket to the canister purge valve. I connected the wire socket to the canister purge valve to test whether the car's problem is solved or not. Now I will enter the car. To clear the fault code with the scan computer, I turned the ignition key switch to the on position. Click clear fault code to clear the fault code. Conditions ignition key on. Cleared all DTC. Click read fault code to see if the fault code has been cleared. Fault code has been cleared and there are no more fault codes. See no fault code. Now I want to start the car engine. I turned off the ignition switch. I turned the ignition switch back on and started the car's engine. Look, the engine started with a single click. There was no problem starting the engine and the check light has cleared, inshallah. If you have any trouble understanding anything while watching the video, please let me know in the comments. The canister purge valve is running. A ticking sound like this means the valve is working. Thank you for watching the video.